going to start by putting back in this board right here. There's also a screw that we have to put in as well. So it's this sole. Nice. So what we're going to do in the meantime, we're just going to connect this ribbon here. Ensure that this ribbon is connected. As I state, this is what is taking the charge to the main board. And what we can do, we can just put back this lower area and just drive home a few screws here. So let's connect the ribbon first, right? As easy as that. It's connected, and let's just, so we actually had took out this piece of foam from here, right? So we are going to just insert it back. And now for the battery, right? What we are going to do here, there's a piece of adhesive that was on the phone. We are going to use this on the back of the battery. So peel it off. Normally these adhesive tape, they are very strong, right? So when you put the battery down, don't expect to take it back up anytime soon. So I'm going to make sure that I connect the battery first, right? Then I am going to stick the battery. So guys, we are almost finished. Basically it's just to put back on the top cover. All we have to do is to just put back in the screws, put back on the back cover, and we're done. I used a lot of adhesive. I just wanted the screen to stick successfully without any problem, without any issue. And this is just the plastic over the screen, but as I state, we can easily rub these off, right? We can rub the edges off of any excess whatsoever. So guys, we're basically done. If this video was helpful to you in any way, you can let me know in the comment section. Like, it doesn't make sense I show you how to screw in the screws and put back on the back cover. It's quite easy and simple, and I am not going to turn on the screen until I know for a fact that the adhesive is dry.